Good evening, sir. How are you?
Hi, I'm Joe the Birdman.
Hi, Joe the Birdman. Welcome to America's Got Talent.
Thank you. Hey.
Hi.
Yeah.
How long have you been doing this?
I've been actually training birds for 38 years.
Who is this?
This is Tika. Tika is a yellow-naped Amazon parrot from Central America, and I rescued her a year ago, and she is just phenomenal. She's the best talking parrot I've ever met. When we pull up to drive-thru, she tries to order.
Really?
Yeah.
How great is that? So go ahead, do your act.
All right. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Yes, everybody is happy. You want to play some games? How about this one? Peekaboo, there you go. Here's another game, ready? Now when I touch her, it changes to...
What you do?
There you go. Now, Tika actually sings several songs. We're going to start with this song. You ready? Here we go, Tika. Sing it. Hush.
Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird.
There you go. One more.
That's great.
Let's try this one. Sing it.
Sing it. Happy birthday to you.
Let's vote.
Yes.
Yes.
No beat.
Lovely girl.
Let's see you again. Yes. Let's see you.
My name is Cassie Molina. I am the Director of Staff Development at Natural Encounters and one of the top trainers here at the Flights of Wonder show.
Hello.
Groucho is a yellow-naped Amazon parrot. He's 23 years old. He's been performing here at the Animal Kingdom since the Animal Kingdom opened, and he is absolutely one in a million.
Oh, boy.
Well, I think what makes him most special is the fact that he sings 7 songs, but also how clearly he sings them. Groucho gets to sing whichever song he wants.